have a dog. This is actually low-key kind of insane to think about.
I know.
Was this a good idea? Probably not.
We'll figure it out.
Holy shit.
Pre-threads on. Faze don't know how to take care of a dog.
Oh yeah, there's definitely gonna be threads.
The wood that the dog is sitting on.
Wait, how is he for like sound?
It's toxic to their skin. Go fuck yourselves.
Yeah, but I'm saying he didn't freak out with the door, but when we're streaming, like, is he gonna be scared because of the sound?
He might be just
Maybe at first.
He might just be confused because of sound coming from places he can't see.
He's having the time of his life.
He's enjoying it. He's enjoying it.
Where's his mom blanket at?
Yo, Milo, bro, 4th of July, we gonna go crazy. We gonna tie you to a firework. Milo, bite your toy if you wanna go on a firework. Oh, he's...
Stop biting.
Hold on now. He's trying to dig a hole in his bed.
He's fucking that ball up.
Should we introduce it into Wagyu steak?
Ooh. Wait, when's his birthday?
Hey, when is his birthday?
It's on paper. I have to look.
Wait, what if it's his birthday soon?
No, he's only
Yeah, but I thought you're born when it's a year.
10 weeks.
Oh,
9 weeks.
oh, really?
He's 9 weeks old? Oh, and he's jumping in the water.
His pee pad is outside.
Oh, he notices the blanket. Oh, good boy.
We gotta secure the gate outside because I feel like he pushed it on.
He smells his mom. This is so fucking cute. Dude, I really just want to just stare at him all day. I don't even know how you're going to stream, but you don't want to stare at him?
I have a violin.
I'm just staring at him, bro. I'm sorry, my chat, bro. I'm just so happy right now. I have so much dopamine from this dog. Oh my god, look at him. Milo, that's your mom. Milo, that's your mom, Milo.
What?
You can get something that's like.
You put peanut butter. Does he like it?
Oh,
Or like even from your phone. That's true.
Damn.
Like it has like a camera.
He tearing the bed
Yo,
up.
listen, he's destroying the bed.
bed?
Look at him, he's biting the shit.
I need stuff to bite on.
Yeah, does he get him like a holy stick?
No, not for that, but like it needs like a chewy thing.
He has things to chew on. That's the thing.
They have those like little folding ones.
Dude, he's destroying his mom's blanket.
Yeah, but he's too young for that.
He's too young for
He's too young for that.
Aww. Milo, look. Oh. Damn, bro. Not gonna lie. You're low-key goated.
Wait, what change is yours? Is it on from your own?
Just click on your screen and see. Or click remote. Yo, we should, when he turns like, when he's like older, we should get like one of those mounts and put a cam on him like a Samsung.
No, I ordered the doggy GoPro set.
Well,
Like,
does that hold the Does that hold the Samsungs?
huh?
Does that hold the Samsungs?
No, but it holds a GoPro and it just straps above on his back.
What is that?
It's like a puppy peanut butter, and you put it in here, and then he tries to like lick his
kinda good.
teeth against it. Want to try some?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ew! That's not real peanut butter. That's like dog peanut butter, right?
Go ahead, taste it.
That's only small. Here, wait, let's see if he likes it. Is that it? Oh. Oh, he does like. Oh, he doesn't like it. Wait, does he like it?
I'll figure it out.
He's so cute. He's so happy. Look at him, he's wagging. Ow, ow, ow. I'll let him figure out the rest. There he goes. See? Does he like playing video games?
I don't know. I think we gotta teach him how to play a game.
Does he even know what Fortnite is? Yo, Milo, do you know how to triple edit? Oh, he is figuring it out. He's sniffing it. Just be careful with this kid. Can you see him on that camera?
Yeah.
He is figuring it out.
Oh no, Chad. Milo disappeared. Where'd he go?
Do you think he can recognize if we're outside? Like, can he see through the doors?
That one you're messing with right now, that toy, you put a treat in there, and it bounces around.
Or he recognizes.
Or that too.
Should I play with this? I feel like he should be eating his toy. Yeah, he's not gonna care. He's in love with this peanut. Oh, he's an eater, bro. Oh, he's low key an eater, Lacey.
Teach him to clip farm. How do y'all want me to do that?
Milo, we need you to play dead so we can farm a clip. Milo, get down. No? Anybody?
Oh, he's gonna find out about his toy, Chad.
I don't think he cares about his toy. Why does his door do?
Wait, what door just did that?
Yo, this cheap ass fucking
There were baby birds in the front of your room?
Yes, on the light. Bro, this ring got already like damaged. They polished this stuff.
Damage?
Like it's got scratches on it already. Is that normal?
Can't figure out how to play it.
They polish it.
They start playing it or keep it.
There's a way to do it. Just change this up and do it.
They're saying the ghost will haunt the dog. What's wrong with this chat? Why is Lacey sitting on desktop? Play with your dog, boy.
No.
Lacey, get in there on all fours and teach him what a real
No,
dog
bro.
is.
He needs to find his space.
He's locked. The dog whisperer is in the building.
Oh, he ate everything in there.
No, he didn't.
What?
That
Did
shit
he
look,
eat the whole thing?
shit looks empty.
Okay, you went crazy. You went crazy.
I can't wait for the first time he has poop.
Oh, you can
Soon.
A little bit in there.
Got stuck if they haven't on one of these carpets.
Oh yeah, no. He's definitely gonna poop. The question is, how is he gonna poop? And the question is, where is he gonna poop?
I hope it's on the wood. That's
Yeah,
all.
I hope that is not on the bed. If it's on the bed, it's gonna be a
There's
bitch.
be a poop segment coming soon, Chad.
He's growing up right now, bro. Think about it. These are the original moments of him.
I know.
He's going through a phase.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Bro, what are you doing?
What?
What do you got there? Oh.
Take it quickly. Don't bite. What, bro? I'm gonna be the cool. Good.
Oh, seriously, Ron?
Somehow passed out. How did he fall? Dude, how is he back asleep already?
You didn't finish.
Yeah, he gifted another fucking 10. Yo, WP neighbor, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Yeah, I got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
I'm not the dog. I'm not petting. I'm not.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. No one said what we have to pay.
6, 7.
Dude, shut up. Alright, well. Damn.
Just do it.
What is that?
Just do it. Not. It's like this. What is this? That's a 670, bro.
I don't get it.
I don't get it. It's that. Hey, Milo, text my check.
Alright.
He said, don't. Faze Milo said, call Rug, and Fetty the cat responded and said, don't get too comfortable. He'll get rid of you just like he did me. Meow. Fuck you,
Alright, Milo, peace out. Yo, Dad. 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 Wait, can I show this? Please show me.
I've seen this.
Wait, is this? What is this? Wait, can I show the list, chat? Am I allowed to show this?
I think Lacey posted on Snapchat.
Alright, show it, fuck it. Extra Emily, Zia Sabilu, Pootie, Sharif O'Neal, invite list. Ooh, XQC. Oh wait, nobody asked XQC? I bet let me call XQC. Do you guys think XQC will pick up?
Show or no show?
Not yet. Oh, it's kind of cold. Chat, should I actually bring back Burger? Dude, I mean, I think he'll be fine, right?
It's a cat. Only thing is, if he gets out, he's gonna he got so much space to hide.
I won't allow him to get out. And I'll put a ball on him so he'll like make a sound. Okay, wait, so if everybody invited people, who should I invite? I'll call Los.
You gotta invite the we're Costco guys.
No. Maybe Los will pick up?
Could invite Cheezer.
I don't have Cheezer's number. Los said, biggest bro, I'm in a movie right now. What's up? Pick up real quick. Important. Who else can I invite? Who else can I invite, Gilbert? Everyone invited people to the party, and I didn't invite anyone.
The Shay Frost.
I don't have his number.
Ben.
I don't have his number.
T-Banks.
I don't have his number.
D-Lou.
Don't have his number. Oh, I do have D-Lou's number. Hold on, let me call D-Lou. There's no way D-Lou's not already coming, though. Let me not leak his number. D-Lou.
Milo got to meet Hassan's dog.
That'd be the perfect dog for.
Hold on, I gotta pick mine. D-Lou, I'm streaming right now. Yo, do you want to come to the Phase party on July 4th?
Yeah.
All right, bro. Well, make sure you come and it's BYOB. Bring your own bitches.
Oh yeah. But listen. Is it gonna be a party or should I bring explosives?
What? No, you can't do that in LA, unfortunately. You can't light fireworks.
You can't do that in LA?
No, so we're gonna...
Wink.
D-Lou, I don't know if we want the title that says Phase starts a forest fire in LA.
Oh, damn. So
Are you gonna come, though?
it'll be all out war. Damn.
There's a lot of people coming, bro. Make sure you come.
Wait, so I can't, no type of crackers, no type of firecrackers and stuff like
You
that?
can bring firecrackers.
Can we bring firecrackers, or is that flammable?
You just can't do fireworks.
Or like maybe like the little sparkly shits, like.
If you can find them in California, then yeah. That's what's allowed.
Is it?
Yeah. They wouldn't sell them.
Oh, no, D-Lou. You're gonna have to ask Betsy, but just come to the party, all right?
Alright, bet.
All right, babe. Bye, baby.
Thank you. Love you.
I love you too, bro. That was the first time someone said they loved me like that. Who else should I invite? Who else?
Jesser? Yeah, Jesser.
I don't have his number.
XQC.
I called him. He didn't pick up. Should I double dial him?
Yeah, double dial.
Let me call him one time. Does anyone here have Cheezer's number? Yo, XQC, wakey, eggs and bakey!
Bro, what do you want?
You coming to the party on 4th of July?
No.
Why?
Because, parties and cameras is fucking cringe high schooler shit.
Don't try to downplay a cool party, bro, just because you were a loser.
Bro, no, if you're filming at a party, you're a loser. Don't talk to me again, buddy.
Fucking vibe terrorist.
What an actual vibe fucking terrorist, bro.
Vibe terrorist.
Dead ass a vibe
That
terrorist.
was really like bad.
My girlfriend texted me a picture of her nails. I said, "You need those paid for, babe." Table here. I need security.
Steven?
Oh, I could hire Steven. Steven could be my security, bro. This would be nice, though. You think people will actually shop here?
Yeah.
What's that?
Might need to give out like coupons.
No, I'm gonna steal every water. So nobody can drink water unless they buy it from me. And I'm gonna charge people. How much should I charge per water bottle?
Like $50.
You think people? No. How much is realistic? Will people buy? Like 20?
I mean, everybody coming damn near rich, so. And then you ask them if they want to round up, and then you just take them. Yeah, and then you just take
No,
the money.
I'm doing the thing where it's gonna say every dollar proceeds going for charity, and then in fine print, it's gonna say it's going to me. Actually, let me know. I might wake up Milo. Is Milo still here? Is he still sleeping?
One count of theft by receiving.
Yo, Anonymous, thank you for the 10 gifts.
Lacey's whispering.
Lacey, why are you whispering?
Huh?
Why are you whispering, bro?
I'm not reading.
Thank you for the 10 gifted, Anonymous. Let's shut that door.
So,
Wait, hold on. My food's here. In a second. Why would anyone gift anonymously?
I think it's on accident.
Dad can invite Steven now. Chat spam it. Yo, Drewski 170. Why are you so excited?
Call Drewski.
This guy has been spamming to invite Nelk and Steve will do it.
Well,
Huh? Are you playing Call of Duty? Why is this monitor so... What game is this?
what do you mean?
What Call of Duty is this?
This is the newest one, Black Ops 6.
This is Black Ops 6?
Yeah.
I've never played it. Is it fun?
It's the Omni movement one.
Oh, I did play this before.
Yeah.
You are ass! Holy noob!
Hell noob.
Where are you?
Oh, Milo just woke up.
Wait, is he up?
What are you guys doing?
Yeah, he's up.
Wait, what?
Wow, he's up.
He's awake, Lacey.